Hi, my name is Danielle McDonald, and I'm a professor in marine biology and ecology at the Rosenstiel School of Marine, Atmospheric and Earth Science. And welcome to my lab, which is called the Toadfish Lab. A lot of people in the type of research that I do, which is called comparative physiology, we're interested in looking at other animals to compare them to humans. Toadfish have a kidney that's very specialized for living in a seawater environment. It's interesting to study because it can tell us things about the human kidney. They have blood cells that sickle, similar to sickle cell disease in humans. They're very tolerant to high ammonia concentrations in the blood. Ammonia is something that will build up in the blood if you're going into liver failure. And so this leads to brain swelling. And for toadfish, they can have very high ammonia levels in the blood. Their brains don't swell. So we ask questions like, what do they have in their brains that we don't have as humans? And can we make that a target for therapy or a way that we can treat humans? With stress physiology, when we are stressed as humans, a hormone goes up in our blood called cortisol. Fish have that same hormone. And so there's lots of examples like that in the marine environment for how marine animals can serve as better models for human health. I really like working with toadfish because they are very tolerant to so many different things. Just a high ability to withstand all sorts of environmental stressors. So they're benthic, they live on the bottom of the ocean, and they just kind of sit and wait. And because of that, they've had to evolve a really high physiology to match that behavior. So in terms of working on them, I find that exciting. They're very resilient animals, yeah. And in this day and age, you need resilience.